Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Adala. On today's episode I will be showing you guys how to make rice water very easy and simple. So the main ingredients here are just your rice, water, distilled water to be precise, and I'm using a tangerine. You could decide to use an orange, lemon, whatever citric fruit you would prefer to use. It's up to you. I'll be using tangerine because I don't like the smell of rice water, and this kills the smell of the rice water. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So stay tuned and let's get into this. Guys, so firstly what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel the skin of this tangerine and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so before we begin, I just want to give you guys some benefits that I got from my research about tangerine peels. It says here that tangerine is a good source of vitamin B12 that reduces hair loss, promotes hair growth, and slows down the graying process of the hair actually. So these are some of the benefits of using tangerine peels on your hair. Here we go. This is how it looks like. Yep. So we're going to go. I'm going to wash my rice right now. Just add some water to wash the rice at first so that I can remove the particles in the rice. Here we go. Now I am going to transfer this here. Transfer the rice. So secondly, this is my distilled water. I'll be adding my distilled water to the rice. I prefer using distilled water because boiling the water first actually helps to eradicate the germs and any particle in the water, just so that our rice water can come out very clean and healthy. So we add this. This is how much water I added, not too much and not too little. Then I'll go ahead and add my tangerine peels into the rice water. Close it up, and here we go. So this is just a random container I used. I don't want to show the label. It's a random container. Yeah, so I'm going to let this sit for 24 hours. Yeah, 24 hours straight. I'm going to let this sit for 24 hours. Then I will filter this to separate the water from the rice and the lemon peels, and I'll be using this rice water on my hair every day as a leave-in conditioner to boost my hair growth and to moisturize my hair. Although some other people prefer another method on how to use their rice water, they prefer to like use the rice water on their hair and wash it out and not keep it in as a leave-in conditioner. So this is another method you can also follow. I just made some research and here it is. So how to use rice water. Firstly, they're giving us what rice water can be used for. They say rice water can replace a commercial conditioner, and to do this, a person should wash hair with shampoo, rinse thoroughly with water from the tap, pour rice water onto their hair, massage the rice water into the hair and scalp, leave on for up to 20 minutes, rinse hair thoroughly using warm water from the tap. So this is another method in case you don't like keeping the rice water in your hair for a very long time, leaving it as a leave-in conditioner. You can do this method. Alright, so I have other research that I made about rice water, and this is what I got. This rice water contains 75 to 80% starch. Rice water is the starchy water that remains after soaking or cooking rice. Rice water starts to contain many of the vitamins and minerals contained in rice. These include amino acid, B vitamins, vitamin E, minerals, and antioxidants. Okay, so the benefits of rice water. Advocates of using rice water for hair believe it detangles the hair, makes hair smoother, increases shine, makes hair stronger, helps hair grow long. Yeah, I believe this because I've been using rice water for so long and I know that my hair is healthy. In fact, it makes my hair thicker. Like it just gets the body that hair needs. It just gives the hair the moisture and the strength it needs to support hair growth. One more thing, guys, it's actually not compulsory to use the type of rice I am using. You can use brown rice, white rice, whatever type of rice you prefer to use or that is available to you at the moment. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload videos like this. Stay tuned, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.